Meitei Leepun has sought for implementation of the National Register of Citizens (NRC) along with the removal of illegal immigrants from the scheduled tribe list. In the press release, the Meitei community-based cultural organization stated, amidst the prevailing atmosphere of uncertainty and apprehension among the people of Manipur regarding the effectiveness of governance, Meitei Leepun wishes to convey sincere appreciation to the leadership at the center. We applaud Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, our Chief Minister Biren Singh and their dedicated associates for their steadfast dedication to the state's integrity and unity. Their resolute steps to strengthen our borders stand as proof of their commitment to the well-being of the people of Manipur. It is with a sense of relief and anticipation that we acknowledge the government's resolution to construct a robust fence along the entire length of the 1643-kilometer Indo-Myanmar border. Further, the organization in its release states, while these measures represent a notable advancement, we remain optimistic about the simultaneous implementation of the National Register of Citizens (NRC) along with the removal of illegal immigrants from the scheduled tribe list. The organization claims that implementing such a measure is considered crucial for fully realizing the advantages of the government's initiatives and protecting the interests and welfare of the people.